Hello everyone and welcome back. So after your today's maths class in which we have learnt about how to do the comparison on the basis of temperature, now it's time to learn something new and interesting in EVS also. So till now in EVS we were learning about different farm animals, about their homes, then their babies, then we have learnt about the food they love to eat, what type of activities they do to help us, yeah, what other things they give us that are useful to us. This is what we have learnt about, and what is a farm is also we have understood now. Now after understanding about farm animals, their activities and lot of other things, after gathering so much of knowledge about farm animals, now it's time to begin with a new topic and understand more about animals. And now we are going to learn about different wild animals. So can anyone tell me what is the meaning of wild animals? Who are wild animals? Can anyone tell me about that? Wild animals are the animals those who live in jungle. Jungle animals जो जंगल में रहते हैं, they don't come near to the human communities जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं, जहाँ residence areas होते हैं. These animals they don't come there. They live in jungle. They love to live in jungle. वहीं पर ही वो अपना food search करते हैं. There only they have homes. Homes which are given to them by nature. What is nature? The environment. Environment ही उनको home देता है. Now, if you compare, when we were learning about farm animals, हमने सीखा कि उनके different homes जो होते हैं, we make their homes in the farmhouse, like we make shed, kennel, coop, then burrow. So different animals के different homes बनते हैं. But वो कौन बनाता है? We human make them. हम बनाते हैं. कैनल डॉग को हम बना के देते हैं वुडन का. डॉग तो नहीं उसमें नेल्स लगाता है या कुछ भी बना पाता है. देन इफ वी टॉक अबाउट बास्केट, क्या कोई कैट अपनी बास्केट बना सकती है? नो. शेड काउ तो नहीं बना सकती. सो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स मेक देयर होम्स. But if we talk about these animals, these wild animals, like we have bear, lion, monkey, elephant, tortoise. Not only wild animals, we have some birds like owl we have, then we have eagle, then vulture, lot of different birds. Where they live? They love to live in jungles. And they make their home in jungle. Now, they are not making themselves. Nature is helping them to make. How? What is a jungle? A place which is full of trees. Trees ही trees होते हैं, rocks ही rocks होती हैं, बड़े बड़े पहाड़ होते हैं, isn't it? So this is what is all about jungle. वहाँ पे तो कोई house होता ही नहीं है. Nobody lives in jungle. So these rocks, trees, these are the homes of these animals. How they make different home? जो rocks होती हैं या mountains होते हैं, उनके बीच में lion है, bear है, ये लोग क्या बनाते हैं? अपने caves बना लेते हैं. वो नेचर ही बना के देती है. एक के ऊपर एक रॉक्स और स्टोन्स रखे होते हैं, कुछ एक उनको छुपने की जगह मिल जाती है, एंड दे मेक इट देयर होम. वहां जाके अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहते हैं. यस, दीज एनिमल्स ऑल्सो हैव देयर ओन फैमिलीज. दे हैव देयर ओन बेबीज. लाइक वी लर्नड इन द फार्म एनिमल्स that baby of a dog is called puppy, or you can say pup. Then baby of a cat is called kitten. Then baby of a cow is called calf. Similarly, these wild animals जो होते हैं like lion, tiger, bear and lot of other animals, their babies are also having different names. We call them with their names, like the baby of lion and tiger, and you can say bear, they are called cub. Then baby of a monkey is called an infant, isn't it? Then if we talk about baby of a rabbit, it's called bunny. So these are the different wild animals, and today we are going to learn about three important things. Clear? What are those three important things? One, we are going to learn about babies. What we call to their babies. Then next we are going to learn about their homes. कि इन डिफरेंट वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के जो होम्स होते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं, What type of home nature is providing? Like I told you, den, cave, then monkey. They live on trees. अब जंगल तो ट्री से भरा होता है, सो मंकी लव टू लिव ऑन ट्री. ट्री क्या होता है? मंकी का होम है. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दीज बर्ड्स, बर्ड्स कहाँ रहते हैं? नेस्ट में. Isn't it? They lay their eggs in the nest. वो खुद भी नेस्ट में रहती हैं. एंड वेयर दे मेक दीज नेस्ट्स? जंगल में, ट्री के ऊपर. नेस्ट भी ट्री पे ही बनता है. Isn't it? Then if we talk about snake, snake is a wild animal. वो हमेशा जंगल में मिलता है. अब स्नेक कहाँ रहता है? होल में. होल होता है छेद. अब वो कहाँ बनाते हैं? दे मेक दीज होल्स इन मडी एरियाज. जो थोड़ी सी मडी या सॉफ्ट मड होती है वहां पे बनाते हैं. देन अदर एनिमल्स लाइक वी हैव एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट कहाँ रहते हैं? जंगल में. इनका भी एक अलग से घर होता है where they have lot of food available to eat. Clear? Then zebras we have. Zebras they keep on roaming in the jungle, in the forest. वो forest में घूमते रहते हैं. Clear? So one is babies. Then we are going to learn about their homes. And the third thing is food. Now, again if we discuss about food, see, those animals who live on farm, they get food from the farm owner, the farmer. जो भी farmer होता है या farm का जो owner होता है वो हम उन्हें food देते हैं. But if we talk about these wild animals, इनको तो खाना देने कोई नहीं जाता. They search their own food. ये अपना food खुद से search करते हैं, ढूंढते हैं, and then they eat. So these wild animals, who's giving them the home? Nature is giving them the home. Who is giving them the food? Again, nature is giving them the food. Nature ही उनको food देती है. Is that clear to all of you? Now, to understand it more clearly, what we are going to do, we are going to talk about these topics one by one about their babies, home and food. And for this, open your book on page number 30, 31 and 32. Clear? So I'll just write that. Book page number 30, then we have 31 and 32. So these are the three pages that we are going to do today. They are very easy but interesting too. Okay, so open your book and see how we are going to do work. So class, now when you will open your EVS book on page number 30, you will find the topic wild animals. So first thing that we are going to do is write today's date, that is 10th November 2020, and this one will be the classwork, so mention CW here like this. Now paste stickers of wild animals. Can you see? Again we have to go here, and here we have the pictures of different animals. From here you are going to peel off the animals that live in jungle. Those are referred as wild animals, and you are going to peel these stickers from here and paste them here. This is to be done by you only. Next question says match the animals with their babies. So as we did in farm animals, I told you that wild animals and their babies, what are the babies of different wild animals called? So what we are going to do, we are going to match them. And I told you most of the babies of animals look alike their parents only, isn't it? Now for the matching work, you are going to use your pencil colors. So these are the pencil colors. Now first we have is elephant. Now can anyone tell me what is the baby of an elephant called? See here. Yes, can you find the baby of an elephant? Yes, we can. So the baby of an elephant is called calf. So this is how I am showing you the pictures also. So this is the elephant here and the baby is called a calf. What we are going to do? We are going to match them like this. Understood? Now, next we have is the king of jungle. Who is the king of jungle? Lion. Now, can you search the baby of a lion and what we call it? Yes, the baby of a lion, we call it a cub. Cub. So we are going to match this lion with this cub here. Understood? Lion and its baby is called a cub. Now next we have a rabbit. And I told you rabbit, where they live? They live in burrow. Now can you tell me what is the baby of a rabbit called? What we call it? We call it a bunny. So what I am doing, I have changed my color. I'll match this rabbit and this bunny here. Understood? This is how you are going to do the matching. Now last we have is a bear. Now bear is bhalu. Now can you tell me what is the baby of a bear called? Baby of a bear is also called cub. Clear? So again we are going to do the matching work and we'll match this bear and this cub like this. Understood all? Now next we are going to do the work on page number 31. So now see class, on page number 31 again we are going to write today's date, that is 10th November 2020 and classwork. So here we are going to discuss about the home of different animals. As I told you, farm animals, they live on farm. And I told you about the what we call to their homes, like dog lives in a kennel, then hen lives in coop. Isn't it like this? I have told you about the homes of different farm animals and we humans make their homes. But there are wild animals, they also live in homes. And who gave them this home? Nature. This nature, the environment, they live in natural homes. Homes which the nature, which the environment is giving them. Clear? So see all of you, there are few wild animals given here, like we have lion, we have bear, we have a monkey, then zebra and a snake. Now what you have to do, you have to match these animals with these homes. So what are the different homes we have? Tree, then we have a hole, then a cave, then we have den and last we have a forest. Understood? Let's start the matching work. Now if we talk about a lion, they lives in den. So what we'll do, we'll match this lion with the picture of a den here. So where a lion live? Lion lives in den. Can you see a den here? Now, after lion, next we have is a bear. Now, can you tell me where a bear live? Can you tell me here? Tree, hole, cave or forest? Yes, they all live in forest, but in forest they have different homes. So, if I tell you this bear, they live in caves, गुफाओं में रहते हैं. So, we are going to match this bear with the cave like this. Understood? Like this you are going to match it. So lion, they live in den and bear, they live in cave. Next we have is a monkey. So where have you seen these monkeys hanging around? कहाँ लटके मिलते हैं आपको ये monkey? They are always hanging on trees. Yes, because trees are their home. So monkey, they live on trees. So we are going to match monkey with tree like this. Understood everyone? Now next we have is, who's this? Can you tell me? An animal who looks like a horse, have some black and white stripes on the body. Who's this? It's a zebra. Who's it? A zebra. Now where a zebra live? They live in forest. So why we are saying they live in forest? Because they roam around. वो हमेशा घूमते रहते हैं. They keep and they roam in groups. वो अपने कुछ family type लोग होते हैं. मतलब it's like कि they live in a family and there are 4 to 5 zebras who live together and they roam together in group. Clear? So zebra, they live in forest because they keep on roaming from one place to another. Like this, you are going to match zebra with forest. Now last we left with a snake. So where a snake live? Snake lives in the hole which they make near the tree or in a very muddy area. उसमें एक hole बनाते हैं and we are never able to understand, मतलब हमें दिखता भी नहीं है if we are crossing nearby. So we have to be very careful while we go in jungle sometime. So these snakes, they live in hole. So what you will do, you are going to match the snake with hole. Now, till now we have learnt about animals and their babies. Then I have also told you about animals and their natural homes. Now what we are going to do next, I am also going to tell you about the food these different animals eat. So now it's time to open your book on page number 32, and class, this will be your today's homework. So first write down today's date, that is 10th November 2020, and here you are going to mention homework. Understood? So match the wild animals with the food they like to eat. So what you are going to do? You are going to match the animals with the food they eat. Is that clear? So we have lion, we have elephant, we have bear, we have deer, and we have a snake. These are the different animals we are going to discuss. Now, the food items that are given to us are bananas, honey, animals. So there is only one animal given. So this means any animal. Then we have a rat, and last we have some plant. Clear? So now can you tell me, if we are talking about lion, can you tell me lion loves to eat what? Bananas, honey, animal, rat or plants. क्या खाता है lion? Lion, they eat the flesh of other animal. मतलब दूसरे जानवरों को खाता है. So what we are going to do? We are going to match the picture of this lion with this picture where it is referred, where it is written animal. That means lion, they love to eat the flesh of other animals. Clear? So we will match it like this. Now, next we have is elephant. So can you tell me, out of these pictures we have bananas, honey, rat and plant. What animal might love to, what elephant might love to eat? Elephant को क्या अच्छा लगता होगा? These elephants, they love to eat sugar canes and bananas. They come in their favorite. So elephant, we are going to match this elephant with banana here. But if banana is not given and you are given the picture of a sugar cane, गन्ने का पिक्चर दिया है जिसको हम कहते हैं ई से ईख, बड़ी ई से ईख, तो आप उससे भी मैच कर सकते हैं because these elephants, they love to eat sugar cane also. Understood? Now next we have is bear. Now bear, they love to eat something which is very sweet and it is prepared by bees. So what is that? They love to eat honey. Yes. So all the bears, you will find them roaming around beehives. जहाँ पे भी मधुमक्खी के छत्ते होते हैं, beehives होती हैं, you will find bears roaming around to get that honey. So what we will do now, we are going to match this bear with honey. Understood? Now next given to us is a deer. Deer कौन होता है? हिरण. Now these deer, they love to eat plants. Yes, ये किसी भी animal को नहीं खाते. So these deer, they love to eat plants. So what we will do, I'll match this deer with this plant here. Understood? Like this you are going to do the matching work. Last we have a snake. So rats, they are eaten by cat also, then snake also. So snake eat a rat here. So we are going to match it like this. Understood, class? So different animals like to eat different things. The babies are called with different names. They live in different homes and they like to eat different food. So today what we have learnt about wild animals, what are their babies called, then what type of homes they live in and what type of food they love to eat. So after this work, don't forget you have to paste these stickers in your book from this back side. You have to take all these stickers from here and you are going to paste here. Clear everyone? So class, you have understood about different things related to these wild animals. Wasn't that interesting to gather more and more knowledge about these animals and understand how lovely these animals are? One thing more which I want to convey a small message here is never ever hurt any animal. Be that a farm animal or a wild animal, any animal which you find nearby you, like cow we have. Now see, Diwali is coming. What many of us do? We burst crackers near these animals. Bacha, they also feel hurt. उनको भी चोट लगती है, isn't it? So please don't hurt any animal. कभी आप किसी dog को मारते हो, कभी आप किसी cat को hit करते हो. No. If anyone will hit you or anyone will beat you, you also feel pain ना. Like us, they are also living beings. वो भी तो living beings हैं. उनको मारोगे तो उन्हें भी दर्द होगा, isn't it? So make it a point, never ever hurt any animal. In fact, if any animal is coming near to you in your location, try to give them some food and water. So they are only searching for food, water and love, nothing else. आप उन्हें harm नहीं करोगे तो they will also not harm you. Okay? So now it's time to complete your work and get ready for the next class. Bye. Take care.